In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable the automatic closing of tabs on the Safari web browser after so much time of inactivity has elapsed. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Safari button up in the menu bar and then go down and select Settings. You can also select the Command and the comma key as well to open up this page. And then you want to select the Tabs button at the top here. Where it says automatically close tabs, click the drop down and select manually, and that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.